So I thought I'd do a short video today, seeing it's warm and sunny, and it's okay to bust the tops off these hives here. So I just want to show that what I do going into winter to feed in the hives. And I run these same hive top feeders in all my hives here. A lot of moisture, and this thing is bone dry. That's just moisture from the hive. Wow. This is the reason I'm going to go ahead and put dry sugar in here now. I'll let you see down in here. They're in there. They're doing their thing. I'm in shorts, short sleeve shirt, no veil. Not bothering me one bit. And this is a vent box here. I just use scrap to make this, and I make sure that I put a vent hole in the front, the back, and I use this number 8 hardware cloth. It's okay if it gets down in there, it's not going to hurt anything. But this will help soak up moisture in the hive, and then they'll come up and eat it. Oh, she got in there. I'm going to go ahead and fill this thing up. There's a lot of bees in this hive, really. Dust a little down in there, kind of let them know it's up here. Take the cap, turn it upside down here, and then I put the lid back on. And these lids are kind of like they're not perfectly flat, so the moisture, when it gets on it, kind of runs out to the edge and drips down into the sugar here, and it gets hard up here, kind of like a sugar cake basically, and they just come up and eat it. All right, and I'll just keep going here. I'll do this on the rest of them. And I also, out of here, I'll feed a 3-to-1 with essential oils in it, to keep the nosema down. Hey, I wanted to show too this mold. You see it? It's all over this top. But that right there just shows the amount of moisture in here. And it's not even really that cold yet. So I just wanted to add that to it. I just wanted to show too, sometimes the bees will leave these open, which is okay. And I run screen bottom boards on all my hives here in Texas, so. But I also want to show how they'll close them up if they don't need them. And if they do by chance close them up, don't remove it, because they know how much air they need, and they've sealed both of these up. So If they don't need it, they'll remove it. I've seen them do that too. I've seen them remove it back out when they need it. So they must be getting plenty of ventilation around the edges, maybe the top right here. And like I said, these are all screen bottom boards. Okay, I got to this hive here, but do you think that's got a little moisture in it? Man, they got ventilation everywhere in the front right here, in the back box, the whole bottom, these holes, front and back, and it's still building up, but there's a lot of bees in here. So I just wanted to show that. Hey, I just wanted to take a second and ask everybody to leave a comment below where they're located and what are you doing to sustain your hives through the winter. Because I'm in Texas here, and it's really not that difficult, honestly. We have fairly warm temperatures, and with the drops, as long as you have plenty of food and their spaces are filled, then they'll be all right. But I also wanted to ask if you would like, share, and subscribe. I also wanted to add that we'll be announcing in our next video a free giveaway, and it'll be actually 2 people will win an item of beekeeping equipment in this next video. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep up to date, and look for that next video. Thanks for watching.